Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G23 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone if you have the screen lock enabled on it. So basically you have PIN, password or pattern enabled on your phone, and how to remove said screen lock protection from it in the process. So let's say you have the screen lock protection enabled and you forgot your PIN, password or pattern, you don't know how to unlock the phone. You can factory reset it and it will remove the screen lock, but also it will remove all of your settings and data from your phone. So you need to be aware of that you will lose basically all data, settings and stuff like that from your phone. Okay, let's continue with the reset. So first we need to wake up the screen on our phone by pressing the power button, and after you wake up the screen you will need to press and hold the power button and also the volume up button. So power button and volume up button together. So we need to press both of them, press and hold both of them. After a second or two the power menu will appear on the screen. You can tap on the power off option to turn off the phone, and after the phone turns off you will need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Press and hold them, keep holding them until the menu appears on the screen. Once this menu appears on the screen, you can use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now select the recovery mode option. This arrow needs to be pointed on the recovery mode, and then press the power button to confirm and enter the recovery mode. Once you see no command on the screen, you will need to press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button you will need to press the volume up button to continue. And after that you should enter recovery mode. Now you can use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through this menu. Scroll through the menu, select the wipe data / factory reset option, and once you select it, press the power button to confirm. Then scroll down, select the factory data reset, press the power button to confirm, wait until the wiping process is complete, and once it's done, make sure to select the reboot system now and press the power button to confirm. And once you see this screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.